I love duck confit. We serve it here in the restaurant. Today I'm going to do a very, very simple dish with some braised Savoy cabbage, bacon and some crushed potatoes with olive oil. First, I trim the leg down for presentation purposes here in the restaurant, but it's not an essential at home. Next, put 2 potatoes in the oven to bake. And then prep and peel a carrot, place into boiling water with a pinch of salt and star anise. Cook until you can get a sharp knife into it. For the cabbage, simply quarter, remove the root, shred and blanch. Chill down both the carrot and the cabbage in cold water. Pop the bacon into the oven and grill until cooked but not crispy. When it's done, finely slice it. Next, I finely chop the juniper and then half a banana shallot and a handful of chives. That's all the prep job's done. Place the confit in a pan with some vegetable oil onto some greaseproof paper on a moderate heat. This will stop the duck from sticking into the pan. Cook until it develops a nice colour and then place in the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes to cook thoroughly through. Saute the shallots in butter. Once they are soft, add the juniper and put the bacon in and turn the heat off. That's then ready for the cabbage shortly before the dish is served to heat it through. Place the carrot into the same pan that the confit was in to give it some colour. And for the crushed potato, just scoop out the potato from the skin and place in a pan with olive oil, salt and pepper. Crush the potato together, but don't mash it. Season with salt and pepper. Now we are ready to serve. Rocher the potato with a large serving spoon and put onto the plate. Then serve up the cabbage and bacon and place the carrot onto the potato. And finally, the confit, with a little red wine jus if you so wish. And there it is, a restaurant dish at home, using a Donald Russell confit duck leg from the freezer. We serve Donald Russell's confit in the restaurant, and I always keep some at home in the freezer for a luxury treat with very little effort.